So let's format this table. So I'm going to click any cell within this table. In the Home ribbon, I'm going to go to the Styles group and I'm going to click Format as Table. I'm going to select a format that I like. You then double check that the data that is selected is correct, as well as my table has headers, and click OK. And there we go. It's formatted. But what I love about this feature, I'm going to click in this cell to create a formula where I'm going to take the product cost multiplied by the quantity sold to give me total sales. And bang, there we go. We've got the total sales going all the way down. What I also love about this feature, if you can see on the top there, I've got free spends automatically happening. I'm going to add something else. I'm going to go to the Design tab right on the top, and I'm going to choose Total Row. Total Row adds an extra row and automatically calculates the last column. But what if I didn't want a sum? I can click on the drop-down arrow and automatically choose Average or Count. I'm going to leave it back as sum and go to Quantity Sold and click the drop-down arrow and choose Sum. And it automatically gives me the grand total of quantity sold. I'm going to the top cell, press Tab on your keyboard, and I'm going to say I did sales in the West region of a ruler, which was 20, 100 quantity sold by Mr. A. Red. And as quick as that, we have completed that row, maintaining total row as well as the calculation. As you can see, you can also filter information based on region, for example. So we can just say we just want the East region, and there we go.